Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, today is Wednesday, and that means it is WIP Caddy Wednesday. I'm so excited to do WIP Caddy Wednesday because I get to showcase all the beautiful projects that you guys are working on. So, yeah, if you're new to my channel, what it is WIP Caddy is just our carts that are 3-tier carts we get from Michael's, Joann's, Amazon, wherever we can get them. And we fill them up with our beautiful crochet, knit, or even just craft projects. So let me see if I can get mine in the camera view. Here is mine. Well, all you can see the top is what's on my top shelf here. This little thing right here, I don't know if you guys know about this, but I keep this in my cart too because this is a stand for my iPad. And when I'm editing my videos, I just set my iPad on this and I can sit there and do my editing. So it's a really cool tool. I like it. And on my top shelf of my cart, I have my headphones. And I put these on and I edit my video so that I'm not bothering my husband. His chair is right next to my chair. And so usually it's early morning when I do this. And so I just put these on while he's watching the news or, you know, catching up on the newspaper. He has an iPad with the newspaper on it every day. It's the Arkansas Democrat, I guess, Gazette. I'm not sure exactly what the name of it is now, but it used to be called the Democrat Gazette. But anyway, so I use this for that. And I have a pencil sharpener. This was given to me from Arteza. Thank you, Arteza, for this. I will leave their link below. But I love this thing. You guys know how many pencils I go through. And it has 2 sizes, but I always just use that for my pencils. So I just keep this right here, and when I need to sharpen a pencil, I just stick it in there. And then let's see, I have tape measures, back scratcher, like I said, tons of pencils, and I just found these in a drawer, so I piled a whole bunch that haven't even been sharpened yet. I have some Arkansas Razorback ones, but I just found, actually I have let's see, I think I found about 10 of them that haven't been sharpened yet. So I threw those in there. Let's see, oh, candy. Gotta have some candy in here, right? So I've got that. I've got like my crochet hooks. I am working on getting this complete set. I guess I probably need to go ahead and order another one. I have quite a few of these. I love these and I love these. Those are my favorites. Then I have some specialty ones. These are some from Hobby Lobby. I don't have my specialty ones in here. They're in the other room that I had handmade, and I love those as well. But they're in their block, I guess you could say. And then I have, I don't know, about 4 of these in here. I always catch these on sale. I just think they're overpriced because I guess it's just a little thing, and I don't think they should cost as much as they do. But anyway, so I have those in here. Then I have my notebooks. This is the one I'm going to talk about today. It's the Cardigan. This is a book that I have in here, and it keeps up with all my projects. I have done really, really good. Look at this, guys. I mean, okay. Where are we at? Right here. This much. This is what I've done all year. This is not the doll outfits, though. The doll outfits I have in a separate book. But that's what I've done. I do have a video on this. And see, oh, this poncho I'm wearing. Right here. How funny, it went right to the page. I do have a tutorial on this. Yeah. I don't have, when I finish this one, though, I have, what I put on these is I print out a picture of what I made, and I print the pattern, the yarn I used, how much yarn I used, the the brand of the yarn, like what it's made of, what hook size I used. And sometimes I'll go ahead and write out the whole pattern depending on what it is. And then sometimes I don't. Like in this case, I didn't. But if I do anything special or different than the pattern, I will write that in the notes here. And that way I can always go back. But here's like the Bagel Day. I did write out her whole pattern on hers. Let's see. I'm working on those little amigurumi things. See, and I got 1, 2, 3 more to go. So I've got 3 done. Just stuff like that. But I'm keeping up with all of it. And I'm so proud of myself that I've actually stayed on task for something. Yeah. Okay. I tell you what, let's go ahead and get started with all of you guys' WIP cards. I do have some that were sent in email and some were sent by Facebook. And they're just lovely. So, oh yeah, I think I'll go ahead and include my card. I did put a picture of my card on Facebook yesterday. So I think I'll go ahead and include mine. So you can see it because it's not showing up. I wasn't going to include mine, but it's not showing up in the camera very well here. But so I'll go ahead and include that. Okay, guys, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy this good old video clip of everyone's cards. Okay, I'm going to start with Explore with K&D. These are 2 lovely young ladies, and they have a passion for crochet. I mean, just look at their WIP cards. These girls are on fire. On their top shelf, they are working on some Harry Potter dolls. And they said that they love my Harry Potter 18-inch doll outfits. Thank you, girls. I appreciate that very much. And they said on the middle shelf of the left WIP Caddy, D, made some bumblebees. And oh, they are adorable. Those dolls are a new series that they are working on, so stay tuned for that. I did share this on my Facebook group page for you guys. But they did ask a question, what is the abbreviation for a single crochet cross stitch? And honestly, I don't know, but if anyone knows the abbreviation for that, please put that in the comment section. And the girls would really, really appreciate that. They are working on a pattern and they need to know that. I will leave their link below in the description box to their YouTube channel. So go check them out and subscribe to their channel. Okay, here we have Rose's card. She says that not much has changed on the top and bottom, but she has finished a summer dress, and now she's working on a lovely lace dress that she said is a paid pattern for her granddaughter, and it's by Stephanie Aaron. She said she's getting 2 out of it because she bought a size 4 yarn and the pattern calls for a size 1. And Rose, thank you for sending the photos that you did. You look so pretty in the top that you made, and your other projects that you sent look so nice. Thank you for sharing that. Okay, so now we have my card, and as I said on Facebook that mine was not very organized, but hey, it works for me. So I'll be talking about some of the projects that I'm working on. Good old black coffee this morning. But wasn't that just wonderful? Everybody's projects that they have going on, the yarns, everything is just beautiful. Just beautiful. Wouldn't it be cool if we could just all get together with our carts somewhere and everybody just show off what's in their carts in person to each other? That would be nice. That's a dream. Now here we have Genevieve. She posted this under mine when I showed my cart, and she said about how much a mess hers is. Well, Genevieve, I love your cart. You have some beautiful things going on there. Mess or no mess, it is gorgeous. And thank you so much for sharing this with us. Now here we have Diana's card, and oh my goodness, I'm already in love with what I see. She says that the top tier has a corner-to-corner blanket and country bridges shawl. The middle tier is a posy shirt, and the bottom is an alpine stitch bag waiting for a liner because she dislikes sewing. But oh my goodness, those are beautiful, Diana. Okay, so now we have Patsy's cart, and I love what she says on here. She says, WIP cart, folks. She says she has more tools on her cart than crafts. There's even some arthritis cream and some antacids. The second shelf is a Christmas Afghan using my patriotic square pattern, and I think that's going to be so cool. I'm looking forward to seeing that. The bottom shelf is a shell pattern cardi, and the thing that has grown mold and roots. Her heart just isn't in it, and she may just call it done and trim it out as a wrap. Now here we have Kathleen's cart. She says that her WIP Caddy has a pink hooded baby blanket gift on top, along with roses to be attached, little toppers, hats, and kids, and yarn. And her middle shelf holds her finished patriotic throw blanket, which is gorgeous. And thank you for participating in that, by the way. And her lowest shelf keeps a teal stitch sample that she's learning by Crystal from Bag O' Day, and a cotton washcloth, plus a Line Brand Ice Cream Granny Square baby blanket in sunshine yellow, which is just beautiful under there. I can see it. And under those are 3 of her favorite crochet knitting books and tools. Thank you for sharing, Kathleen. So I'll show what's in mine. First of all, this is my sister Tanya's wonky basket that she made. See, it doesn't look so bad in camera right here. But maybe it's because I've been working with it. There it is. Now you can see. It's wonky. But she gave it to me, and I'm so proud of this. I love this basket. So what I am working on in this is, let's see. Oh yeah, I'll leave the link below for this. For this one, it is the Carly cardigan, and I showed you, let me go find that in the book. It's this Carly cardigan that I made right there. Remember that? I was making that in the colors to match the Yarny Fiber Sisters, the CNIT calendar 2022 that they have. And so I chose those colors for it. But I really, really like that pattern. So I'm finally getting around to making me one in black. Can you believe it? Finally, I'm so proud of myself. And what's funny is I will actually probably wear this black more than any of the cardigans that I have made. So why have I put it off so long? It's because it's black yarn. Nobody likes to work with black yarn. But here it is. There's my back panel. Oh, and the Carly cardigan, if you buy my pattern, I have 13 rows in that pattern. Well, for this one that I'm doing, I only did 8. Because after I got to wearing it and stuff and looking at it, I think I want this not to be so large. So I just did 8 rows in that, but the rest is the same. Right there. So that's my back panel. I'm hoping I made it a little bit large because I'll probably be wearing this a lot, even in the fall and winter. So I wanted my back panel just a little bit large. I am working on the front panel, one of the front panels, and this is how much I've gotten done so far. And guys, this thing works up so fast, you won't even believe it if you want to make this one, but here it is. So this here would be one of my front panels. So it's just your good old granny stitch. And the yarn I'm using, which I don't think they have this yarn anymore, which is very disappointing. But that's okay, because I have found that I really like Line Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn. So that's going to be my substitute cotton to replace my Burnett Softy cotton that I found. I've been using this for a couple years now. It is just my favorite yarn, cotton yarn. But like I said, they don't really sell this brand anymore, or all these colors like they did anymore. But this color is black. It says Burnett Softy Cotton, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, 254 yards. But that's it right there. I am on my second one. So I'm thinking it's probably only going to take 3 to make this. I bet you. I have 5 of these. So I think it's probably only going to take 3. So there's that one. That's what I'm working on. And let's see what else. Yes, I just love this cotton. I love it. And I have found another one that I like. It's Line Brand 24/7 cotton. And this is the one that I'm fixing to do one on. This is denim. But I don't think I'm going to do my Carly cardigan on this one. I want this to be more of one of them that I've done. Probably more like my simple summer cardigan. But instead of 2 panels, I'm going to do 1 back panel. just like the Simple Summer cardigan. I will probably, yeah, I think that's what I'll do. The Simple Summer cardigan. I don't know. I don't know if I want the triple crochet or not. I may just do the double crochet. But anyway, I've got to finish the black one first. So I'll keep you updated on the black one. And then when I get ready to start this one, I will let you know. Okay, let's go ahead and read our 365 days of prayer. So today should be June 22nd. Okay, it says, never too much. You don't have enough faith. Jesus told them, I tell you the truth. If you had faith even as small as a mustard seed, you could say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it would move. Nothing would be impossible. That's Matthew 17:20. Great God, there is no situation too big for you to handle. When I look in your word, it is full of examples of people who had confidence that you would come through for them time and again. Jesus, you yourself said that if we have faith even as small as a tiny mustard seed, we could command a mountain to move, and it would. I want faith like that. With your power as my barometer, I can say, peace, be still, to a raging storm, and it will calm. I pray that as I walk in your ways, I will have the assurance of you coming through when I step out, all for your glory. You are the God who makes the impossible possible. What a glorious mystery. I don't want to simply marvel at this. I want to walk in it, increase my faith even as I step out. What impossible situation is waiting for you to step out in faith? Ooh, that's a really good one. Boy, and I needed that today. Okay, guys, I just want to remind you that the crochet along for the patriotic throw is still going on. It ends June the 30th. There will be 2 winners picked for a $50 gift card to Michael's and Hobby Lobby. But if you're not one of those shoppers and you'd rather just have the Michael's or the Joann's, we'll work it out. But yeah, there's going to be 2 winners. Thanks to Tanya. Thank you, Tanya. She's donating a $50 gift card for this. And she more or less designed this basket. It's my basket tutorial, but she designed as far as the color scheme on how to do the basket. And this right here. I come up with the idea of it. She came up with the colors and the crochet along and the $50 gift card. So I like to give her a lot of credit for that. But I wouldn't even be doing this if it wasn't for her. So thank you, Tanya. I appreciate that. This has given a lot of us something to do and something fun to do. And as you can see, I'll be doing a slideshow of all the finished blankets when they're done. After, I guess probably on the 1st, I'll put on a slideshow announcing the winner. And guys, I'm telling you, you guys have some beautiful ones. And some of you have switched up colors. Some of you live in other countries, and so that's not your color for your country. Just different things like that. And it's just so much fun seeing all the different colors. So, yeah, that's all that I have for this video, guys. Just work on your crochet projects. Live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.